Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. We've been seeing such a nice evening here in Middle Georgia. It is getting a little bit cool, especially once the sun went down, but clear skies keeping everything quiet for right now. This is looking out on the 41 sky view overlooking downtown Dublin, where temperatures have cooled off already to 46 degrees. You'll notice that dew point at 45 degrees. It's not out of the realm of question that we could see a little bit of patchy fog, especially with the calm winds. But for tomorrow, it's going to be all about the return of the 70s. Today we saw 71 degrees is our high temperature. 44 is where we started out our day. So it was definitely a little bit on the warmer side, just generally throughout today. And we're going to keep that going overnight tonight. We've still got temperatures at 50 in Forsyth, 46 in Dublin, 45 in Gordon, and seeing 48 over in Vienna. So about where they should be for our temperatures at the moment. 50 up in Atlanta, a little bit warmer up there. 44 in Birmingham and 48 over in Nashville. Seeing some 60s out in parts of Texas. And that's something to keep an eye on because that's where we're going to watch this next system kind of emerge from, along with some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. And that's going to bring that potential for some strong and severe storms as we are moving into our Wednesday. But starting out for tomorrow, we're going to see that best threat for severe weather in parts of Tennessee, down into Mississippi, Arkansas, and Louisiana. We got that level 4 threat for some severe storms tomorrow out there. For us here in Middle Georgia, this is going to be more of the transition as we're heading into Wednesday morning. So you can see this is by Wednesday. We're just in the level 1 threat. We're going to lose a lot of kind of the instability and the uplift from this system as it moves in. So we're going to get this as it's weakening, which is good news for us. So kind of how this is going to go down, we're going to start to see this warm front pushing in from the Gulf. That's going to bring in more moisture as well. At the same time, we've got a cold front that's going to try and drop in from the north. So all of this combines, that's going to mean the potential for strong and severe storms out to our west. Now this is going to work its way pretty quickly across the southeast overnight tonight. So that's look around 3:30 a.m. at this line pushing through. But you can see it's out way ahead of that cold front. So we're going to see this moving way ahead of the cold front. Showers and storms getting out of here by Wednesday afternoon, and by Wednesday evening into Thursday, that's where we start to see a cool down and more high pressure moving in. So we'll see a pretty big drop out there. But for tonight, not a whole lot to worry about. 43 degrees by around 5 a.m. We're back in the 70s tomorrow afternoon, along with the addition of some clouds for the afternoon. And another look at the timing of these storms. This is by 6 a.m., so it's going to be a wake-up call for a lot of us. We'll see this moving through pretty quickly. So as we're heading into the lunchtime hour, a lot of this rain moves out. Like I said, clearing by the afternoon. We'll still be in the 70s, but the big cool down will be on the way for Thursday. As far as our severe threats, we're looking at heavy rain and gusty winds, wind gusts 40 to 60 miles per hour. An isolated tornado can't be ruled out, but we will see the potential of rainfall totals up over 2 inches for some spots in Middle Georgia. In just 10 seconds, I'll have a look at our 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
And here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. We've got 70s on the way in the next couple of days. Wednesday is going to bring those showers, especially during the morning time, clearing by the afternoon, and then a big drop in those temperatures by Thursday. Highs only around 58 degrees. 70s, however, return for the weekend. It should stay pretty quiet into the start of next week.